Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cheesy sausage and tomato pasta skillet. Alright, I'm starting out here in my everything pan. Love this pan, use it all the time. I'm starting out, I have this preheated. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Probably about 3 tablespoons. And I have some smoked beef sausage here. This is the pre-cooked stuff. I'm going to get in here and I'm going to brown it up over medium heat. So it starts to heat through and gets a light brown on it. Alright, now that I allow my sausage to brown for a little bit, that only went for about 3 minutes. I have a pint of cherry tomatoes. We're going to get them in there. We're going to let them go just for a minute so they start to blister. Alright, now that my tomatoes are starting to blister, I'm going to add in 2 shallots that I diced up. And I diced these up on the fine side. And I'm going to turn my heat up just a hair. You gonna make some noise now, Dexter, so everyone can hear you? And I'm also gonna add in 2 heaping teaspoons of diced up garlic, or you can use 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm gonna allow this to cook for just a few minutes to help soften up those shallots and blister up the tomatoes. Alright, now that my shallots are starting to soften up and my tomatoes are starting to blister, I'm going to add in about a half a cup of red wine. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. Now I'm going to allow that wine to reduce it by half. Alright, now that my wine is reduced down by half, I'm going to add in about a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm also going to add in, I have a pound of garden rotini that I've boiled to the directions on the box. You can use any kind of pasta you like. I'm going to stir this in. And I turn my heat off. We're done with that part. You just want to stir it to blend your wine sauce and your cheese through the pasta and help melt your cheese. This is looking good, guys. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I add a little bit of fresh grated parmesan cheese because I had some on hand. That's optional. Let me get in here and give this a try. Pasta's nice and tender. You pick up the flavor of the wine, the shallots, the garlic. Try some of this sausage. Sausage is really good. It picked up the flavors of the wine. Now some of these cherry tomatoes. They're hot. That's really delicious, loaded with flavor, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Cheesy sausage and tomato pasta skillet. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.